little bit sick of it, yeah. We're getting a little bit sick of that shit, dude. Oh my god.
Why are you messing with my head?
Oh my god.
Twisting, bending, breaking, making me second guess. You can delete my shit. You can delete my digits. Unfollow, unfriend me, whatever you need to do. I just really can't be bothered. I've already gotten over you.